Okay, this is my MK260R Logitech mouse and keyboard, and today I am unboxing this. I think it will be a very nice, it will be so nice that I order a very, oops, ouch, oops, that's me. Okay, let's pause this bit. Okay, pause.
Go.
Okay, unbox this bag. They give a lot of airbags. Wow. One second. Okay. This is an MK260R Logitech keyboard. They're given an air bubble pack. It's so hard to open. Last.
What brand it is?
Logitech. But let's keep it for a second. Pause.
Go.
Okay. Let's try to unbox this.
There are some splicers.
Well, as I told, this keyboard was highly excellent. It works excellent and well.
Please show me the mouse.
Okay, there are many options. There's also an instruction user manual. This is about the product. Here they given an instruction manual, and this is a mouse for the Logitech. It's really nice. I like it a lot. Okay. They given a case for the batteries. They also given the batteries for us. It's wonderful. I like this a lot. And this is a micromedia device for the Logitech device. See? Okay, let's see how to insert the batteries. Pause.
Oh.
Unbox the batteries. They're given the batteries. They're given the free batteries for buying this product. I think this is the place where you need to insert the batteries. Is there any lock? See, this is so nice now. There's a keyboard stand. I think this is for the mouse. For the keyboard. they give the perfect battery. Number 1 battery set. And then number 2 also set. I want to set. Ouch. Hang on a second. Please, okay, let's pause the video for a while.
Go.
I'll put the batteries. Okay, now what's the problem? What happened to this one again?
Can I pause the video?
Yes.
Go.
Okay. Let's try if the USB is working or not at perfection. It is a wonderful and easy to type. And I also brought a mouse pad for this. Okay. Let's also this one. And where is the hang on a second. That's the options. Have they given any instruction manual for this one? Oh, the mouse is working a lot. Okay, let's test the keyboard. And it's working fabulous. See? Let's open the notepad. Okay. Look at my keyboard and mouse. As I'm typing the numbers, see, as I'm typing numbers, it's working. Okay, finally they reviewed a good product. Okay, it's wonderful and I like it a lot. Okay, it's so nice, and they given the free batteries for that, all the stuff and etc. Also they mouse pad is I brought my mouse pad separately, and you can buy the mouse pad at cheapest rates here. They given a warranty information. See, important safety complaints on warranty information. Okay, let's see how much warranty is this. Okay. Okay, it says it got 1 year warranty. Okay. Okay. This is my Logitech keyboard, and I like it a lot. So that's all the description. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Actually, this is the best productivity review I have seen, and this will be more fabulous and it will be so nice. You can buy this product. This is very at cheaper rate. Okay, there are many options also in this Logitech keyboard. So friends, please buy this product, and for the company users, see the mouse also works properly. Okay, goodbye friends.